Triangle inequalities. Copy and answer in one whole sheet of paper. Okay, so there you have a table. Complete the following table. The measures of the two sides of a triangle are given. Between what two numbers must be the third side x fall? Give a possible length of the third side. So if the two sides are 11 and 20, what are the range of values of the third side? So range of values. So you have, what do you have? What do you do first? Okay, you have to add for the maximum, add them, and then subtract for the minimum. And then put it in the inequality. What is the inequality sign? The less than sign. X is between the maximum and the minimum. And then choose a third side. Following, the value must be between your minimum and the maximum, of course. Okay, you have only how many? 4 items, and that's so easy. You can do it. Next, name the largest and the smallest angle. So you have the largest angle. What is the name of the angle? Your choices are A, B, or C. How do you choose the largest angle? Then you have the smallest angle. So remember um, the lesson about in the previous slide about the relationship between sides and angles. Here you have another triangle. What is the largest angle? What is the smallest angle? Your choices are D, E, and F. Okay, name the largest and the smallest angle again. Okay, what is up? You have 5 and 5.03 and 5.1. This tests your numeracy skills. Which is greater, 5.1 or 5.03? Okay, so you have to know. In this slide, you have list the angles of triangle ABC from the smallest to the largest. So in your scratch paper, you can create the triangle ABC, write the lengths of the side, and then arrange what is the large angle, larger, and largest angle. Do the same thing to the second set of values. Create your triangle ABC, label AB, BC, and AC with the lengths. And then arrange the angles from large to largest. What should be the answer here? Okay, the answer should be angle A, angle B, or angle C. Okay, for all the three blanks. Then, in this slide, you have to list the sides in order from shortest to longest. Okay, so here you're given the angles. Here you are only given the two measures. What should be the value of angle B? So you can arrange the sides from the shortest to the longest. For numbers 1 to 5, okay, you are provided a box. In this box, you put a check mark or an X. You put a check mark if the three lengths can form a triangle. You put an X if the three lengths cannot create a triangle. And that's it for the lesson on triangle inequality theorem.